Okay, so hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna make actually an AI that can give audio outputs, giving audio outputs, and we will try afterwards in another video to also give audio inputs. But for now, it's actually commented out. Okay, just joking. See, so for this thing, you have to install a module that's PyTTSX3. Pause the video and go there. Okay, then follow me. Okay, so here we are gonna define speak. Okay, SPEAK, speak, and here you have to get it an audio, right? We have to speak an audio. Then what you have to do is, okay, engine equals py okay, I have not imported it actually. Import py tsx3 dot get. Okay, I have some problem here. Let me see. Actually, I have made an AI for myself. I would also display it from next time in next video, but for now just see it. Okay, so I have named it actually Javas, so it's gonna open. Just a time, it will take some time. Yeah, yeah. Okay. I just made a mistake. Don't worry, it's just a thing. pyttsx3.init, and then you have to see here you have a SAPI 5. Means this is actually Microsoft own what you can say AI part, or you can say speaking part. Okay, so here you have to get SAPI 5, right? Then see here, voices of engine dot get property means pyttsx3.init this dot get property. Okay, so here I'm gonna just actually this practice is better, because let's go to engine, because this thing makes your code although that it will be longer, but still it would be better, right? Okay, we are getting the property of SAPI 5 module. It's voices. Yeah, voices or voice. Yeah, it's voices. Okay, so if you want to know the number of voices present in your system, then just, okay, I'm not gonna keep it in print voices, you can just print that. Let's save and run this. Let's check if this module is installed properly. Okay, actually, let's hit enter. Yeah, and it had not printed anything. Why? Yeah. Okay, I have not called the function yet, right? So let's call the function speak, and let's speak. Okay, let's just for now let's just call it. Think it might show some problems. Still, it's okay. Yeah, it's missing the argument, right? Okay, no worries. For now, you can just control and cut this, paste this there. Yeah. Okay, then control shift tab actually, and here I'm gonna write print speak only, just a thing, because actually this would ask for some space, right? So that's why. For now, we are just actually printing the voices, not more than that. Okay, so it's coming. Yeah, see, these are separated by a comma, and you have only one thing here. See, one, this thing, and the two. Okay, so this actually has the index as of 0, and this has an index of 1. And okay, now we have printed these voices. Okay, so now let's go. And actually this statement is wrong, because in your programming you don't have to get print statements actually. Now let's write engine.set property, and you have to set the property to this thing, right? Okay, so parenthesis voice comma, okay, voices, I think, yeah, voices 0 means you have given the index of the voice dot id. Okay, let's see you. Okay, this time I'm gonna complete all this thing. Okay, so define speak, that's audio, and let's write this thing. We have to use this thing. Engine.say means engine speaks, right? This engine we have taken into consideration is speaking. So engine.speak, okay, say audio. We need to give it the parameter as audio, and you have also to write. Is it not taking engine dot, okay, what's happening this way? Okay, yeah, it's now come. Run and wait, and let's keep it in brackets. Okay, here I'm gonna make it speak somewhat. Okay, for now I need to change my speakers. Okay, so it's okay, no worries, I will try to show you, but still speak, and you need to speak it somewhat like, let's say I am Devan. Okay, it's just gonna speak, and you need to add a full stop in order to complete the sentence. Yeah, it should work. Let me show you.
I am Devansh.
Okay, so if you have heard it, but still it was really low voice, don't worry, no problem, no worries. But still, what will this thing do if you have done with me? Then you will face an error. Module not, okay, found, error. No module named Pi audio. Okay, when you have got this, then you must have tried something like this: pip install Pi audio. If you have not tried, then it's okay, it will just prevented your net. Okay, just joking, just telling you. And actually I want this thing to be here below to make my I even myself hate those things. Okay, so here what's the thing is, let's see this first and follow with me. Here you have to go to unofficial Python binaries. Type here, okay, in the search bar. Okay, why is it not coming? Okay, yeah. In unofficial Python binaries, then you have to go to this one, first one. Okay, go open it. Okay, let it open. Yeah. Now for here, you have to control F means to find Pi audio. Right? See here it's showing Pi audio. Okay, and you have all these types from 227 to 39, but not all the numbers. Don't worry, no worries. See this. Pi audio is actually supported with Python 2.7 and 3.4 equal to or greater. Okay, so that's why if you have, okay, let me explain what's this thing actually. See, open Python in your, search it for Python, and you have to open python.exe. Okay, so here, see here I have got the Python 3.7, which is 64 bits. See here again, 64 bits. Then you have to download, this is the bits of the Python that you have downloaded. Let's say that this is actually 32-bit Python, and this is for actually 64-bit Python. And what's, if you, then why are these many things? You should have only two, that's MD64 and only 32. Actually, every time the Pi audio is made, it's made for some different what you can say, Python updates, right? Okay, so here 37 means Python 3.7, here 38 means 3.8, 39 means 3.9, and this is 3.6, 3.5, 3.4, and 2.7. Okay, so these were the things, but here you have a lot more in resources for Python. You can see for yourself, you see for your own self. Okay, so what you have to do is, okay, I just closed it by mistake, I need to open it again, just a second. Yeah, I have actually downloaded it, don't worry, unofficial Python binders. I actually downloaded it, but I will show you how to get it exactly. Okay, so if you have pip, get in your thing, means in your device, then this thing should work. Pi audio. Okay, going to this page. Yeah, now here see, I have just downloaded this thing in my scripts, right? Okay, so I'm gonna write here Pi audio. Let's see if it's showing. No, it's not showing. Okay, so here what you have to do, just go to code here. Okay, let's save this first and open up a new terminal. I've got the shortcut key, you can also open it, but I am opening with the shortcut key. And here you have to do nothing. You just, if you have installed any module further before, then you can just add it over here. Just write pip install and that module name. Let me write pip install tk enter. I have this module. All Python programs have this module within them. Let's see if this is installing or what's doing it. Okay, it's not showing this thing. So I have installed PyInstaller. I will also, if you want, then I will also show this use. Just comment in the time below. Okay, so here it's showing already satisfied, and let's go to this thing, this address. Copy this and paste it in the search bar and press enter. It's copying and pressing enter. It took some time. No worries, it will take some time. Yeah, here you have all the things that are needed for you. Okay, so go down. Actually, here I have PyAudio already installed. Let me show you if yeah. See, this is PyAudio. I have got it. But yeah. What you need to do is actually go to your downloads folder. Okay, let me download it for you now. Okay, let's download it. Just to scan. Where is it going? Yeah. Okay, it has been downloaded. And let me go to download. See, I have this file over here ready. Okay, let's cut this. No worries if you even cut this. Let's go to site packages and let's see if I have anything like this. No, I don't have here. Okay, so actually what you have to go is to go to Python 37, means your thing. Okay, sorry for this. Wrong click. Go to scripts. Then go to, do we have, okay, just paste this PyAudio here. See, I have got it already. But okay, I'm not gonna paste it here now. Okay, see, I have got this thing already with me. I'm gonna delete this thing. Yeah. And also these two things I'm using Python 37. Okay, see, coming back here, what you have to do is just copy this path, but you have to get PyAudio. See, I have it over here. You don't click it, just move it with the arrow and you will get, see, you have got the things exactly what I told. Let's copy this, and here pressing, you have to press shift and right key, getting PowerShell window here. Now just wait for a second for this to start. Okay, here you have to write pip install, then two inverted commas, and here you have to insert or press Ctrl V. I have already installed this thing. Okay, okay, I have not left a space yet. Here, let's go here. Okay, this is gonna take some time because I need to go to that place. Yeah, now it will show that requirement already satisfied because I have already installed it in my device. But here the thing will work, and after this you will get actually everything and you will get this thing. So what I will be writing, I will be also getting this site, I will be also showing you in the description. Okay, let's close this, let's open this, and yeah, so this is the site. I will be also showing you for that thing. I will also keeping it in the description too. Okay, so this way you can do this. You can actually make your own AI that speaks the audio that's given to it. Okay, so this way we come to an end of this session. Thank you and goodbye.